Hey there, Healthy Living TV family. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the best tips and tricks to live a healthier, happier life. Today, we have something truly amazing to share with you: the shocking benefits of using coconut oil every day for a month. You won't believe what happens. Now, I know what you're thinking. Coconut oil? Really? Trust me, I was skeptical too. But stick with me, because what happened next blew my mind, and it might just blow yours too. For an entire month, I decided to use coconut oil every single day. Yep, you heard that right. 30 days of coconut oily goodness. And let me tell you, the results were, well, shocking, to say the least. But before we go into my coconut oil adventure, let's get one thing straight. I'm not a doctor or a scientist. I'm just a regular person like you, trying to live my best life. So, while I'm going to share my experience, remember that everyone's body is different. What worked for me might not work the same for you. Always check with a healthcare professional before making big changes to your routine, okay? Coconut oil has been a staple in tropical regions for centuries, but in recent years, it's gained worldwide popularity for its incredible health benefits. From cooking to skincare, this versatile oil can do wonders. Let's jump into the top benefits you'll experience by incorporating coconut oil into your daily routine. Benefit 1. My skin went from meh to wow. I've always had decent skin, but nothing to write home about. But after just a week of using coconut oil as a moisturizer, I started noticing a difference. My skin felt softer and looked more radiant, and those pesky dry patches? Gone. By the end of the month, I was getting compliments left and right. What's your secret? They'd ask. I'd just smile and think about that little jar of magic sitting on my bathroom counter. Benefit 2. My hair became a shampoo commercial dream. Okay, this one surprised me. I've always battled with frizz and split ends. But after using coconut oil as a deep conditioning treatment once a week, my hair transformed. It became softer, shinier, and way more manageable. I even noticed less hair in my brush. And the best part? No more expensive hair products. Just me, my coconut oil, and my hair that finally cooperated. Benefit 3. My energy levels skyrocketed. Now, this is where things got interesting. About 2 weeks in, I noticed I wasn't reaching for that third cup of coffee anymore. I felt more alert, more focused, and had an energy that lasted throughout the day. At first, I thought it was a coincidence. But as the days went on, I couldn't deny it. There was something to this coconut oil thing. If you're enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button and like this video. Benefit 4. My digestion did a happy dance. Let's talk about something we don't usually talk about: digestion. I've always had a bit of a finicky stomach, if you know what I mean. But after incorporating coconut oil into my diet, just a tablespoon a day in my morning smoothie, things improved. I felt less bloated, more regular, and just overall more comfortable. It was like my gut was giving me a big thumbs up. Benefit 5. My dental hygiene game leveled up. This one's a bit out there, but hear me out. I started oil pulling with coconut oil every morning. For those who don't know, it's swishing oil around in your mouth for about 15 minutes. Sounds weird, right? But after a month, my teeth felt cleaner, looked whiter, and my breath was fresher. My dentist even commented on the improvement at my next checkup. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. And I get it. I was skeptical too. But here's the thing. I'm not saying coconut oil is some miracle cure-all. It's not going to solve all your problems or turn you into a superhuman overnight. What I am saying is that incorporating coconut oil into my daily routine made a noticeable difference in my life. And the best part? It's natural, affordable, and easy to use. But don't just take my word for it. If you're curious, why not try it out for yourself? Start small, maybe use it as a moisturizer or add a bit to your cooking. See how your body responds. And who knows, maybe in a month, you'll be making your video about the shocking benefits of coconut oil. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you ever used coconut oil? What was your experience? Drop a comment below and let's chat. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended healthy living products. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Healthy Living TV for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, this is Grace, signing off. Remember, sometimes the most unassuming things can have the biggest impact on our lives. Stay curious, stay open, and who knows what amazing discoveries you might make. See you in the next video.